Hi, welcome to Michigan Plant 96. What you're viewing here is our Tiffin window being installed into an assembly wall. It's assembled in the upright position. This is the current way we picked it up from a previous vendor, how to install our tracks. There's 3 little tracks that go on the end of this vent that start off the process until we can actually close the vent. You can witness by the video here the tracks both go into top and bottom rails, so a lot of upside down operations. First we have to drill holes to abide a screw to go in there, which all these screws that go in are non-magnetic, so they're difficult to keep on the end of the screw tips, so we're constantly holding stuff up until we can come to this point here and actually get a vent installed. You're going to see even after vent installation here, he's got to go back in, our team member does, and put a bottom and top track in place. Upside down operation again with non-magnetic screws, and it's very difficult. So we started looking at this and we came up with some ideas to help our team members out. What you're viewing here now is sub-assembly boards. So the top and bottom rails, 3 pieces of track each, are all pre-assembled before they are taped onto the main stationary glass. So now when the worker gets the window into the wall, he basically grabs his vent as his first step, installs it into the window, slides it back, installs the end piece of track on the bottom, places 1 screw in there, you'll see, and then the vent can be closed and completed. This is saving time on the build of the window, time reduction, and effort from our work crew. Thank you for watching.